Hi everyone. So which of these phrases is correct? Should it be here, here, where here is spelled with E-A-R, or should it be here, here, where here is spelled with E-R-E? Or maybe you even think it makes no difference. Well, the first spelling is correct and the second spelling is wrong. Still, lots of people get this wrong, so don't feel too badly if you chose the wrong spelling. However, now that you know the correct version, hopefully you won't make the same mistake again. Of course, when you're speaking, each version sounds the same. The issue really only comes when you're spelling the phrase. So, here, here, with E-A-R is correct, and the other spelling is completely wrong. And I'll explain the phrase here, here in just a little bit. But first, the word here, spelled H-E-A-R, is something you do with your ears. You listen. Although it may be used in many ways, it always refers to listening in some manner. I didn't hear what you said. The court will hear the case tomorrow. No thank you, I wouldn't hear of it. On the other hand, the word here, spelled with E-R-E, is most often used when referring to a place, such as right here, or not there but here, and so forth. Here with E-R-E can also be used in other ways too though, such as, yes, here I am willing to agree with you. Nonetheless, although the word here with E-R-E may be used in many ways, here, here is not one of them. The phrase here, here actually has a long history and dates all the way back to the 17th century. It's used to endorse or offer support or agreement to what has previously just been said by a speaker, and it's often used during gatherings of people to garner applause. Here's an example of how it's often used. So a speaker finishes addressing an audience and maybe he gets some applause, and then the next speaker takes to the stage and says something like, "What a wonderful speech by my colleague." And then maybe a member of the audience, in complete agreement with that statement, shouts out, "Hear, hear," in support of it, implicitly encouraging the rest of the audience to also agree by applauding or voicing their agreement in some way. It's usually a foregone conclusion that when someone says, "Hear, hear," at least some other people will show that they agree. If you ever get confused about which spelling to use, just remember that here, H-E-A-R, is something you do with your ear, also E-A-R. And that's what the phrase here, here is all about, having listened to someone and then encouraging endorsement. That's about all for now. I hope you liked the video and thanks for watching. See you next time.
If you liked this video, please take a moment just to click the like and the subscribe buttons below. Your support is much appreciated. Thank you for watching.